Righto guys, we'll go for a 1 hour ride. We'll head up to the back gate, we'll cross the creek, we'll head into the town of Silverton. We'll check out some of the old buildings and some of the history, and I'll give you a story of some of the old Cameliers and the local history. So we'll load these guys from the back up.
This is the sort of effect that Mark's got on most people. Turns out Camel's a pretty good judge of character. Please watch my head. Seriously.
She hasn't bitten anyone yet.
Okay, cool.
So did you know camels can run as fast as a racehorse?
Really?
Have you seen the camel races?
Yes.
Yeah.
These guys will do 60 k's an hour. Silverton's renowned for having camels. There's been camels here since the town was established in one form or another, whether it was back in the 1880s when they were building and supplying the town, or in the 1930s when they were doing rides out here at Penrose Park.
You know, Silverton, it's one of those historic towns, you've just got to check it out. Go for a stroll. If you really want to connect with the town's history, this is the way to do it. I'm going to say it, it's more comfortable than the Land Cruiser.
So a lot of this town was bulldozed in the 60s. A lot of these ruins were deemed unsafe. So we're quite lucky to have the ones we've got still. So you know, a thirsty camel will drink a bathtub full of water in under 3 minutes.
All this talk about drinking has me wishing that we were making a pit stop at the Silverton Hotel.
Well, there you go, guys. We've been out in Silverton. We've been able to see all of the buildings that are out here. We've gone on a really cool little ride. Now, these guys also do sunset tours, which I think would be amazing out there with those buildings. If you're ever in Silverton, make sure you check them out. Come and say hey to these guys.